to play cook burgers in Roblox. So let's start the game. Now let me press play. And yeah. So I let double tap to grab, but double tap and I apply nothing. First just get the plate to cook a burger. Let's flip this. Now let's go get the bottom bun. Where is it? Where is it? I cannot find it. This is the bun. I need the bottom bun. Where is the bottom bun? Yes, this is the bottom bun. Oh my god, why am I hanging? Why am I jumping? Okay, now we got this. Now let's go here now. Just here and where's my plate? They took my plate. Never mind, I get a new one. That just they just snap it for me. Don't worry, I can get a new one. Now let's take this. Now let's flip it. Now let's put it here. Let me flip it and yeah. Okay, now what is the order? We are making fries. Yeah, I'm throwing it in the garbage bin. Bye. Have a great time. Actually, I want to see something that is true or not. First, let me grab this and let's go here. And I think, no, it's this way. I think this is the way to the source. I know how to become a mouse in this. So, it might be fun. Yes, the bridge is there. Now, let's go here and there and here and oh my god, there are already potions here. Never mind, I'll create my own potion. Let's put this. Do it fast. I'm already creating a video. Now, thank you. Now let's interact with this. And yes, I'm a mouse now. This is kind of funny. Let's take this and bye. This is mine. This is all mine. This is mine. Oh my god. Get me out! Stop holding me. Don't throw me in the garbage bin. Thank you. Let me go now. Bye. Okay, now I'm back in the sewers. I need to grab some food to put here. So when I come in the sewers and if I die as a mouse, then there will be food for me there. And then I can make myself a mouse again. This is so I already found it one. Oh my god, why is it so hard to get it? Oh my god. Wait, there's also someone dancing. Let's go close to. Oh, he catches a cat. No, get away from me. I don't want the cat because the cat can make me get out. So now we got the steak. I'm gonna annoy these people. I put it on the hot surface and more steak, and now I'm gonna fry it. Oh, I fried myself as a mouse. Wow, I just need to put more steak like over here and create a big mess. I don't know how I'm gonna create a mess. Oh, why are there fries here? I'm gonna fry these fries so much until they get burned. Bye. Okay, now where to go? Now I got an idea of ordering fries because then I can make more fries and they'll taste better. Delivery in progress. Okay, come quick. Now I need the fries. Can you please give me the fries? How do I open this? Okay, I'm gonna get top of your car. Yes. Thank you for opening now. Oh my gosh, why did I press interact? Oh my gosh. Now where to take this? First I should put it here and now go. Now I have to see for new things. I put it here for nothing. I got come here. I don't care. I want to fry you. I want to fry you. Okay, I want to fry you. Okay, now get in there. Get in there now. You're getting fried. Are you fried? Yes, you are. Now, since I hate fried people, so bye. Have a great time. Why are you still at? No, you died. Never mind now. Let's open this. Wait, it's already open. Wow. Wow. I didn't notice that. But let's put in. Oh, catch it. I need to catch the mouse before it goes. Yes. Now I'm gonna lock this. But it's super fun when we lock a mouse in the oven. It looks like we are cooking a cat. Oh my goodness. You hate to go in there. So I don't care. Get in there. You can escape. I'm already saying. He can escape, He can escape, dude. I cannot give it to you. Nope. I'm gonna fry you. Like I'm gonna fry you in the frying pan. Hey, he's mine. Give it to me. You need to leave. Now give me back here. What is wrong with you? I was about to fry this. Are you kidding me? Why does this stunt go? Why didn't I pay attention? Because I put it up there and I forgot. We are cooking burgers, but I don't care. A supermarket, we have to go there. Is that an ATM? You gotta get something. In the kitchen. Oh my God. I just see your fires in red. You are poor. No, I'm not. What is wrong? Balance. I have $0. I just need. Never mind, let's go in the supermarket. Open this. Welcome to the shop. I'm standing. I don't care. I love to stand on counter. I love to stand on your counter. Okay, then I come now. I need this. How much is it? $40. Now, I put it back. Get away from me. I don't want you. 15. I needed it. Oh my God. Is this of Robux? Are you serious? I have 0 Robux. It's 225. I'm not taking instant cat pass. Oh my God. And we can choose the color of it. What is this? Manager access pad. No, I don't need that. Basketball, no. Royal rat pass. You can be rat at any time. With static power. Oh my gosh. This is so okay. Never mind now. Let's get here. Flying rat pass. I wish I had Robux to buy flying rat passes. But I don't have. Oh my gosh. Look at these. These look so crazy. Oh my gosh. There's also a devil mouse. Never mind. I don't want. Bye. Bye. Just kidding. I'm not. Bye. I'm going out from your shop. Your shop has too expensive things. So I'm not gonna buy those. And now, wait, can I buy? Are you serious? Yeah. Because I play in mobile. So open, yeah, it's open. Now get me. Bugatti for $3. Welcome. Yeah, thank you for saying that. When I'll get money, I'll put you money and buy a Bugatti. For my first time in Roblox. Okay, bye. Wait a minute before I go. Hey, what is this? Never mind. Okay, now get me out. No fear now. What should I do now? I have not cooking friends. You know what? I cooked the bun. I cooked the fried bun. Now let's put it up here and now let's take this off and hey, that's my plate. That's my point. I said that's my point. I was gonna make a burger. Never mind, I'm not making a burger. Oh my goodness, why is this game so boring? Never mind. Anyways, what's behind here? Nothing. What is this? A garage? Never mind. What is this? Nothing. Can jump down here. Wait, is that a yacht? Let's go on the yacht. Wow. Why did they put this car up here? I don't know what we call that. Forklift. What is this forklift? Get me in here. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Never mind. Bye. Forklift 2 parking. What is this? Now I got two. You took without me. Anyway. Now let's go back out the cook burger shop. And now let's get on the burgers shop. Okay, so thank you for watching guys today. Please like and subscribe to my channel video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.